Hi guys, this is attempt 2 to do this because I forgot how to use my own program. I've been clicking on the wrong thing. I thought it didn't work anymore, but anyway, for those of you just joining us, this is my ongoing attempt to make my own little dream game, an Elite clone, and it's set in submarines. It's ages since I've done an update video, so there's quite a lot of new features. But can you see these things around here? These drones. They're just coming into dock. And they just jump into position. And what I want to do is I want to race them using the EVA suit. Can you see these guys down here? Let's go here. Yeah. There's two flight modes that you've got on the submarine. You've got sort of auto leveling like that, and then you've got free movement. But at the moment I'll just use free movement. But yeah, so you've got these little drones here, and I'll set one off to one of the bases. Now I've started remaking the user interface, so it's using the proper user interface rather than just doing text mode, because apart from anything else, text mode, it's just too complicated to maintain. So let's have a look. This is the new map. It's not finished, it's not quite caught with the old map. There's no grid lines or anything, but the advantage of using the user interface is these are actually buttons, all these things flying around, and you can just click on them to select them out in the game world. I've just selected myself, then you can see this green flashing thing here. But let's go back to these drones. I'll just click on one of these. Oh, it doesn't matter which one, but it's just selected. It just selected this one. And then we will send it off to this distant base here, RALS. It uses an Elite style thing to make up the names and the descriptions and things like that procedurally. But so let's send him off to RALS, use the programming interface. And this is what I forgot how to use the other day. As you can see, it's a bit scruffy looking. It's a bit it's sort of barely working, but it is working. So if I go to manual fetch, I can say take everything from snert, that's the start base, and then take it to RALS, and the commodity can be food. So if I set him off he goes. You see that dock becomes available, and he will set off. Oh, don't want to get hit by a sub there. So he's picking up, you can see his cargo now is 10 food. He's picked up some food, but I want to see if I can beat him there, but I'm going to use my EVA suit. Okay. I've got the sound turned down, so I hope you can hear this. But let's... okay, so what I can do with the EVA suit is I can use a probe and fire a probe. Okay, can you see there's a distant base? Let's try hitting that with the probe. Here we go. Okay, target latched on, so here we go. And then I can see a few different things I can use there. Press shift to go into precision mode so you can hit targets. It's hit it. Okay. Right. There we go. That's set it spinning, you see, because it's using the physics engine. So hang on. I'm not sure if the map. I'm not sure what the map does. Oh, so I must be there, and there's the thing that I'm chasing, the drone. Hang on, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, there's one there. Let's see if I can get it. we go. Hit that. Set it spinning. Okay. So where am I now? I'm a bit close. Oh, he's miles away. Let's see if I can hit another one of these things. Hit it with the probe. Okay, let's go to that one. Where is Mars? Oh dear. With that, oh, I can see it. I can see it in the distance. Let's see if I can hit that thing. I've had to put a range on this, unfortunately. A range limit. Come on. Probe launched. Probe lost. No. He's beating me there. Oh well. It was worth a try. We use this EVA suit for doing repairs and hacking into things and things like that. So that was a miserable failure. You can see, you can maybe just make him out. He's coming now. I suppose I can still possibly catch him off if we're racing. If we're racing back to the source base. Okay, let's start. There we go. Bit of juddering still as it's generating the infinite terrain. Okay, oh, could I hit the probe if it's in a straight enough line? Come on. Oh, I think it's just moved up. Probe lost. If I can't hit that probe. Target latched on. Ah, that gives me an advantage if I actually latch onto the thing I'm chasing. You can only move very slowly in the EVA. Okay. Here we go. So I can get ahead of him. Target latched on. There we go. So I can beat him. Come on. There we go. Oh well, in the complete round robin, I beat him out, to the base and then back again. I love this little probe thing that I've made. I'll show you the sort of stuff you can use it for. Apart from silly races. Well, see what will happen now is this thing will come in, it'll get close to the base. And it'll pick up, it's got food 10 as well now, and it'll go take food 10. I don't know what the prices are on my base compared to that other place. It's maybe not worth it. There's my submarine, the purple sub. That gets me back to it. You can see a little feature that's not properly implemented now. I don't know how well this will come across with the YouTube compression, but can you see these bubbles everywhere? If I go like this, you can see there's no bubbles in that direction. That's because the bubbles are created around the sub. So I'm going to give away how that works. I'll correct that eventually. So let's take this thing up. There we go. We hit that cargo pod. Oh no. Oh, I was nearly dragged off. Something went wrong with the physics then. But as you can see, it's night time now in the game, so it's a bit difficult to see what I'm doing. Here we go. Got it. Alright, so then let's just click on this thing. Distance 12 meters. I think I've got to get within 10 meters. So I'll just try and pursue it. Okay, 7 meters. You can see this thing doesn't trigger the underwater mines, the EVA suit. So let's go to the programming interface. This is all the new user interface, for better or worse. And then what I do is just disable it. So that's a disabled underwater probe now. Okay. Let's just get lined up with my submarine. Here we go. There we go. See, it just tells you here. It just tells you here that you've hit it. Okay, so you just got to get within 10 meters of the sub. Oh, is it within 5 meters? I think. Okay, so now we're back in the sub. So where's that? I'm sorry if you can't see things very well, but that's just the YouTube compression. I mean, it's supposed to be at night, so the graphics are very crisp for me, but with the video encoding there won't be. So like I say, I've got absolutely loads of new features. I mean, this thing here that looks like a chicken, let's go to it. This is a new feature. Here we go. And I have got controller support. It's not complete yet, but you can use controllers, or you will be able to. So I go here to this chicken looking thing. This is actually a drilling rig, and you can drag it over these glowing parts and then use it to harvest ore, and then use the you know, you can go and collect the ore, or you can set drones to that mode. I mean, I wonder if this will work from here. If I go here, and then if I just take that drone and then use a programming interface. It occurred to me recently that these programs are a bit like cards in a deck builder, so maybe I'll pursue something like that. But fetch ore. Here we go. So you can see it moving there, and it will come. It's getting up to 1 meter a second, but it will just basically go between the drilling rig. I think will be called a cockerel or something like that in the game eventually. But like I say, I've added probably half a dozen fairly substantial features, but I've just not been making videos because I've been getting my head down and doing programming instead. But this this new user interface with tabs and stuff like that, it has been a real bear to copy everything across with it. See if I select this base. I've started adding more kind of like base builder type features, but they're not ready yet. But well, I'm adding to it. So that is me signing off. That's just a little update.